am Simran Dhanuk. I am a student of Library Science from Garware College. The purpose of this video to participate in the celebration of National Librarians Day in the memory of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan by SNDT Women's University. And today I will discuss about what precautions should be taken by the library and the librarians to serve the user post COVID-19.
So, as we know, post COVID, the world will be a different place. There will be visible changes across a range of behaviors from shopping and eating out to travel. Understandably, the impact of the pandemic has already been felt on the education sectors too. In epidemics and during the COVID 19 pandemic situations, when information outbreak is enormous, it is the time to remind the society of the importance of libraries and the role of librarians in organizing and disseminating the information. Accurate information is the key to handle the chaotic situation. Exchange of false information seems to be on the rise. It has created a situation of epidemic, as stated by WHO. This has not only affected research work but has also created chaotic situation among the lay people. In this chaotic situation, most of the people rely on Google and several other channels like social media so they can access and share information. The authenticity of most information is often unchecked and blindly forwarded to the others.
Hello ma'am, I am taking a small survey. I wanted to know a question about library that what precautions should be taken by the library after coronavirus. Can you please give me your point of view?
Okay. Hi, I am Meenakshi Dange. I am an engineering student. From my point of view, the precaution that the library should be take such that developing click and collect or drive-through services in order to allow access to books without human contact, so that I don't have to go to look and search at stack room and shelves. After the book is used, the book should be kept in an isolation box for at least 2 to 3 days, where say the book should be heated up to 30 to 35 days. Thank you.
I'm Mohini Mate, student of library science. From my perspective, the precautions that the library should take should be such that the libraries will need full training of staff, volunteers, and planning if someone is found to have a symptoms, and safe spacing between participants, careful management of entries and exits.
Here are some of the points that library should take: that limiting number in the library. One step being taken to reduce risk is to limit the number of the people in the library at any one time. This makes easier to maintain social distance. As the sources in Macau, China, the public libraries are using a ticketing system to limit number in the library. As well as some countries, reopening is more advanced. There are already plans on how to make events possible again. In organizing events, the libraries will need full training of staff and volunteers and rapid planning if someone is found to have symptoms, and also need to follow rules about social distancing 1 meter. Continue to apply and with obligations to wear face mask when entering and leaving, as well as during event when it is not possible to maintain social distancing.
Thank you everyone.